This is our Holygrail Algo Trendband indicator. Now this is a very powerful indicator, and what it does is it serves as a filter. So this is the NQ today, and you can see what it does. You've got this red and green band that runs right through your chart. The other thing that you'll notice is that it recolors the candles. You don't have all the red and green up and down candles. You have a trending type color that goes with this. So the way this would work is with, if you use this as a filter with your strategy, once it breaks above the trend band and you have all green candles, this is where you want to start looking for longs. Once it breaks down below the trend band and turns red, you want to start looking for shorts. As you notice right here, this broke down below the trend band, but it never turned red. So this is kind of a nice filter that would keep you from trading. But once it broke back up, now you're going to be looking for longs again. Once it broke back down, here we go. We've got green as it started out, and I don't like trading anything that actually touches, even if it wicks on top of the trend band. I want it to break completely away from it, and that's what it did right here. It broke completely down away from it. Here it broke above it, but guess what? We didn't really have any green candles, and it was really weak over here. They were not higher than these. And so here we had some more green candles, but you can see it broke up above, and down here it broke down below, and it finally turned red, and we had some really nice shorts. So that's what it looks like this. Now this works with any instrument, whether it's Forex, equities, or futures, and it works with any type of candle. So whether you can even use this with Renko candles, you can use it with Heikin-Ashi candles, or just regular minute candles. This works really well and designed to work with whatever trading strategy that you want. This indicator is only $49 for the entire year. It's an incredible value.